Hello everybody, it's your boy Lady here, and today I'm showing you my pea plant that was way down here. As you see the base right there. Still a strong vine, nothing snapped. Checking the vine, nothing is snapped. Everything all good. And it grabbed onto here, and look right here. Actually got a little pea pod, and it's growing over the watermelon vine. And as you can see, a nice little watermelon there. And right there, I also clipped 2 watermelons off just so I sealed them because, I didn't plant these at the right time, so they're not really going to be big at the finish, but they're a decent size, watermelon. Yeah, so just a few watermelons lingering around. Yeah, the vine stretched all the way over here. Even got a watermelon here. Yeah, look at it. Watermelon gone wild. I was really hoping for this one, but as you can see, some bugs went in there, and nope, I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. Some bugs went in that one. And right here, this one's perfect. And this one's going to take a while to grow, probably by the end of December. I'll be selling them for $4 each. And yeah, so stepping over everything, make sure I don't stamp on nothing. And everything's really good, you guys. Everything's really good. Right here, this long plant right here, this is sweet potatoes. Yeah, these are what sweet potato plants look like. These things right here. This is what sweet potatoes look like. But yeah, back to the peas. As you can see, when it was smaller, it didn't look like it was gonna grow. One of them died, unfortunately, but this one survived and it managed to grow a little pea pod. So basically, it's just soil and water for the start, especially when it gets to this size. And if you've been paying attention to any of my gardening videos, the stuff I do that works for, weed trees, it's the same stuff that goes for fruit and vegetables. It goes for all plants. You use the same thing. And yeah, so we're looking real good right now. And by the time the end of December comes, this will be way up here and overgrown. And these watermelons will get bigger. So yeah, this is an episode on how to grow peas, and this is real nice. It's okay if they latch on to stuff, guys, because it's just going to grow bigger. And as you can see, the crown is here. That's going to grow this way. And sometimes it has multiple crowns where it grows multiple ways, but no worries. That's just how it grows. So, yep, this is an episode of how to grow peas. I will resume how to grow kale and everything else. You just got to, do a lot of work in the garden first. But, yeah, pretty much. So, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And this is your boy Liddy, how to grow peas. Peace.